Kale is often called a superfood, and today we're finding out if it really deserves that title. Let's get into it. What is kale? Kale is a leafy green vegetable from the cabbage family, with varieties like curly kale, dinosaur kale, and red Russian kale. It thrives in cold weather, and its flavor actually gets sweeter after frost. It's been eaten for centuries across Europe and Asia, and has recently become a global health trend. Nutritional profile. Kale is packed with nutrients while being very low in calories. A single cup of raw kale contains high amounts of vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C, plus calcium, potassium, manganese, and a decent amount of plant-based protein. This dense profile is why kale is considered one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. Heart health benefits. Kale contains fiber and antioxidants that support cardiovascular health. Compounds in kale help lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, while also reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Regular consumption may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, lowering the overall risk of heart disease over time. Bone health benefits. Thanks to its high vitamin K and calcium content, kale plays an important role in maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium in the body, which supports bone density and reduces the risk of fractures, especially as we age. Eye health benefits. Kale is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that accumulate in the retina. These compounds help filter harmful blue light and protect the eyes from oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Antioxidant power. Kale is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This may lower the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. Weight management support. Because kale is low in calories but high in fiber, it can help you feel full for longer. Adding kale to meals is an easy way to boost nutrition without significantly increasing calorie intake, making it a great choice for anyone watching their weight. Possible side effects. Despite its benefits, kale isn't perfect for everyone. It contains oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stones in sensitive individuals. Kale is also high in vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications. Additionally, raw kale contains compounds called goitrogens that may affect thyroid function if consumed in excess by people with thyroid issues. So, should you add kale to your diet? For most people, the benefits far outweigh the risks, especially when eaten in moderation and prepared well. As always, if you have specific health conditions, it's worth checking with your doctor first. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what topic you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.